Skill development in human beings is a continuous process of improving a person's knowledge, abilities, behavior, thinking, and personality. It helps individuals become more confident, independent, responsible, and capable of handling different situations in life. Human skills can be developed through education, practice, experience, observation, communication, and learning from mistakes. Important skills include communication, critical thinking, problem-solving, creativity, decision-making, teamwork, leadership, time management, emotional intelligence, and adaptability. Communication skills help a person express ideas clearly and understand others, while problem-solving and critical thinking skills help in dealing with difficult situations and making better decisions. Emotional intelligence helps people understand and manage their emotions and maintain healthy relationships. Time management teaches people to use their time wisely and complete tasks efficiently. Teamwork and leadership skills are important for working with others and taking responsibility. Creativity encourages people to develop new ideas and find better solutions to problems. Skill development is especially important for students and young people because it prepares them for higher education, employment, and future challenges. It also improves self-confidence and encourages a person to become a lifelong learner. In today's rapidly changing world, learning new skills is necessary because technology, workplaces, and social environments continue to change. Therefore, every individual should regularly identify areas for improvement and practice useful skills. Even small daily efforts, such as reading, communicating with others, learning a new tool, solving problems, or practicing a hobby, can gradually lead to significant personal growth and success.